ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನಗಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂತು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಓದೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ SSLC ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂತವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ AP ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ us start now. See the first question. The 17th term of an arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7. Write the common difference of this progression. So according to the question, now we can write A17 is equal to, andre 17th term is equal to A10 plus 7. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A10 ಗಿಂತ 7 ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. According to the given question, ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ದಾಯ್ತು, ಅದು A17 is equal to A10 plus 7 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು A17 ಮತ್ತೆ A10 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A17 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು A plus 16D. ಅದೇ ತರ A10 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಅದು A plus 9D ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus 7. ಈಗ just simplify it. So A, when you shall transpose it, both of them get cancelled. ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 16D ಈ ಕಡೆ -9D ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, 9D ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 16 minus 9D ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 16D minus 9D ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 7D ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 7D is equal to 7. So therefore 7D is equal to 7 by 7. It is nothing but 1. So common difference is equal to 1. Very simple. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ n ಆಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ n ಆಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೀಗ 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ, when you write n number of odd integers, then what is the sum? See, you can find this 100 odd integers, 200 odd integers, 25 odd integers, like that. If you want to find the sum of the odd integers, first 10 means it has to start from 1 only. 1 ಇಂದನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is nothing but sum of first n odd integers, odd positive integers is always calculated by the formula n square. Okay, n square. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮರ್ತ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದು 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ n ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, n odd integers. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ A ಹಿಯರ್? A is equal to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. D ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೀಗ? 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 3 2. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N is n only here. So substitute all this, you will get the same answer, n square only. Okay. Same question can be asked in another way. That is, write the formula to find the sum of first n even integers. Then what is the formula? Formula is n square plus n, or this can be factorized and written n of n plus 1. This is the formula. Okay, this is for n square is for odd integers. This formula is to find even integers. Even integers. So first 5. Here illi hing barutte nimge ide tara formula use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will write the series as 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc n terms. Okay, so here see here a is equal to 2, first term a 2, then common difference is 2. Substitute these values in the formula to find Sn. So you get the same answer, that is n square plus n, or n into n plus 1. So don't forget, very simple. Next we go to the next question, third one here. E and F are points on the side PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. State whether EF parallel to QR. If PE 4 cm, QE 4.5 cm, PF 8 cm and RF 9 cm. So, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ರಫ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಗರ್. ಫಿಗರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿದೌಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಫಿಗರ್, ರಫ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್. PQR is the triangle. Excuse me. So here it's very clear. E and F are point on the side PQ. E is point on PQ. So let us consider this point E, and F is point on PR. Okay, and it is given that state whether EF parallel to QR. So what we have to draw now? Illi now EF parallel line na draw madkonbeku. Okay, state. Now we have to say now. It is not given whether these EF and QR are parallel or not. Iveru parallel line hauda alva anta we have to say now. Now helbeku. So if conditions are given, PE 4 cm. We have to do PE. So this is 4 cm. And other side QE 4.5 cm. That this is 4.5 centimeter, and PF 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and RF 9 centimeter. RF is 9 centimeter. Nam kelsa eniga we have to say whether EF is parallel to QR. So nimgella gotte irutte, according to basic proportionality theorem, in triangle PQR, PE by EQ or QE is equal to PF by FR or RF. If these two are equal, then we can say EF is parallel to QR. Is the, you know, basic proportionality theorem. So let us find now. So let us find PE by EQ. So PE what now? 4 by EQ 4.5 is equal to, is PF how much? 8 centimeter, and other one RF or FR is 9 centimeter. How can we find now? Just let us cross multiply. So 9 4s are how much? 36. Here 4.5 into 8. How much we get? 8 5s are 40. 8 4, then 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36. Here also we get 36. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means here the ratios are equal. EF is parallel to QR. So that is true statement. Iga second main barona. Second main ali first question, verify whether 130 is a term of the arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11, etc. So first let us write the arithmetic progression. That is second main. That is fourth question. So given AP is now 3, 7, 11, etc. So we have to find is 130 is a term of the arithmetic mean. Okay. So it is given that some term, that means MAN is equal to 130. Is it possible to have 130 as one of the term? It is given. How can you find it? See here, AP ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. AP ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ you know A, that is first number, that first term, and common difference you can find 7 minus 3 is 4. So AN also ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಈ AN ಅಂದ್ರೆ 130 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು if you solve the equation, if you get N as a whole number, N ಈಗ whole number ಬಂದ್ರೆ then that 130 is a term of this AP. If N is another number, that means some other number like fractions, decimals, in case, then 130 is not a term, because when it is term, first term, second term, third term, like this, it should be a whole number. So N should be a whole number. So let us substitute the values and find the answer now. So here given that A is equal to 3, D is equal to 7 minus 3, 4, or 11 minus 7, 4. Substitute now. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So substitute 130 is equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into D is 4. So value now. So let us simplify it now. 130 minus 3, let me shift it to left hand side, is equal to N minus 1 into 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4N minus 4 into 1 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So bring 4 also to the left hand side now. So 130 minus 30 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 127. 127 plus 4 is equal to 4N. So 127 plus 4 is to 131 is equal to 4N. So N is equal to 131 by 4. Can it be a whole number? It's not possible, because 131 is not divisible by 4. So 130 is not a term. So understood. In case illiga, suppose 132 ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, it will be then divisible by 4. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 32 is divisible by 4. It comes in 4 ones a table. ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆತರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಈ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, it is a term. If you do not get a whole number, if you get a fraction like this, then it is not a term. So what you say now, 130 is not a term of a given AP, not a term of given AP. So now let us come to next question now, that is fifth question in this. Let us read the question first. Children, always, whenever you get a question, especially word problems like this, first you have to read the question and understand it properly. ಅರ್ಧಂಬರ್ಧ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಡೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್. So next question now. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic series 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus etc. using the formula. It's a direct question, so it's very easy for you people. So find the sum of first 20 terms. So what do you find now? You need to find here, you have to find S20. That is asked to find. Whenever you get this type of question, first you need to find what is asked to find. So S20 should be calculated. And sum it is, so it is S20. And arithmetic series is given, so that is 2 plus 7 plus 12. Write that now. So all these are given part, you must write this, because each step has marks. So 2 plus 7 plus 2 etc. This is given AP. So what are given in this series now? You will get to know A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 7 minus 2 or 12 minus 7. How much? It is 5. So you know the value of N, sum of 20 terms. So what is that? N is nothing but 20. So what is the formula now? Formula is, so Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so substitute the values now. Very easy. Sum it is. ಈ ತರದ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈವನ್ ಈಗ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕೂಡ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ n by 2, it is 20 by 2 into 2, a value ಎಷ್ಟೀಗ 2, so 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1 into 5. And don't miss this step. Whenever you have this type of problem, formula matte substitution is ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು half mark ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So correct substitution is also very important. Substitution wrong ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ whole sum wrong ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So substitution also very important. So this contains mark here. So don't miss any step. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟೀಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So here 2 into 2, 4 plus 19 5s are how much? 95. So now find the answer. 95 plus 4 is to 99. So what is the sum of 20 terms here? It is nothing but 990. Okay, sum is 990. So very easy, no children? ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೇನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಈ ತರ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ವಿದೌಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎನಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವೈಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. Okay, next, sixth question now. In triangle ABC, so see the figure children, will figure kottidare question alle. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC and AD is equal to x plus 1 and DB x minus 1, which is DB, this is DB x minus 1, AE x plus 3 and EC is equal to x. Find the value of x. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸಿ ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ 2 marks question or any question about 2 marks, yes, you should write all the given part and what is asked to find. That is first. Because ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ half mark ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC, what are given here? DE parallel to BC ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು BPT ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ substitute the values now. AD ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ? x plus 1 by DB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is x minus 1 given. So AE x plus 3 by EC x. So just solve it now. Cross multiply. So what do we get? X into x plus 1 andre, that is x into x plus 1 is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 1. Simplify it now. X into x plus 1, x squared plus x is equal to here x into x, x squared, my x into minus 1, x plus 3x minus 3 into 1, 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ x ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ x plus x minus 3x is equal to minus 3. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x plus x 2x ಆಯ್ತು. 2x minus 3x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೀಗ? ಮೈನಸ್ x ಆಯ್ತು. ಮೈನಸ್ x is equal to minus 3. therefore x ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3. So value of x is 3. Very simple now. Now third main, ivella 3 marks questions iga. Seventh question, the sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes. So children, please read and understand the question first. Sum of rupees 700. So 700 rupees ide ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಈಗ. So you have to give the cash prizes for 7 students. So sum ಎಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಿಗ 700 rupees. N is 7. 7 students are there. Okay, so you have to give cash prizes to them. Now, if each price is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, okay, for suppose ಈಗ first price ಬಂದವಂಗೆ ನೀವು 700 rupees ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, next second price ಬಂದವಂಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 20 rupees less ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that is the question. So what is this 20? Third price ಬಂದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ 20 rupees less ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So each time what are we subtracting here? We are subtracting 20 rupees. So what is that? It is nothing but common difference. So you have to find value of each of the price. So what should we find here? We should find arithmetic progression. So to find arithmetic progression, what do we need? We need to find A, first term of AP. If you find first term, you can find, 20, that is common difference. You can find the remaining or rest of the terms very easily. So let us find the answer now. So it is 7th question, third main, 7th question. So let us solve it now. First you write what are given. 700 rupees, what is that? Sum. So it is nothing but yes. And how many students are there? 7 students. So yes, 7. So all 7 students together, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? rupees 700. So yes, 7 is now 700 and N is 7. And D, difference of price is here 20 rupees. So D is 20. Common difference is 20. So SN is given, N is given, D is given. So you need to find A. So what is the formula? Formula is SN is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute all these values. S7 is 700, so substitute is equal to N is 7, 7 by 2 into 2 into A, that is 2A as it is now. So plus N minus 1, it is 7 minus 1, 20, D is 20. So fine. Simplify this now. We'll get 700 into 4. It's an even odd number here, 7. So instead of simplifying here itself, better you shift 2 to LHS. That would be easier, more easier. So 700 into 2, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1400 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 1400 is equal to 7 into 2A plus 7 minus 1, 6. 6 into 20. 6 20s are how much? Or 26 are how much? It is 120. So now simplify again. So 1400 is equal to 7 2s are 14A plus 120 into 7. 12 7s are how much? 84. It is nothing but 840. Or you can do one more thing here while simplifying. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 700 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆನೆ you can divide it by 7. That is 700 into 2 by 7 also can be done. I think that would be more easier. Okay, so or the same thing can be done as now 700 into 2 by 7. Okay, because we are shifting 7 by 2 to LHS now. So 2 by 7, multiplying by 2, dividing by 7. So is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, it is 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6. 6 into 20, how much? 120. Here, 7 ones are 7 hundreds are. ಏನು ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ? 100 into 2, it is equal to 200 is equal to 2a plus 120. Shift 120 to LHS now. 200 minus 120 is equal to 2a. 200 minus 120, how much? It is 80 is equal to 2a. Therefore, a ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ? 40 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So, a is 40. So, AP is now, so AP is, so a 40, then 40 plus 20 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is 60 plus 60 plus 20, 80 plus 80 plus 20, 100 plus 120. How many prizes do we have? 7 prizes. So 140. How many we have? 3, 4, 5, 6. Then one more. It is 160. So this is the required AP. See, how can you verify your answer? Just check now. 40 plus 60, 100, 180, 280, 280 plus 120, 300, 400, 500, 540, plus 160, it is 700. So sum of the amount is 700 rupees. So first prize would be 160 rupees, second prize 140, then 120. So last one, 7th place, will get now 40 rupees. So this is arithmetic series. Now 8th question. In third main 8th question. Read the question. The sum of first 9 terms of an AP is 144 and its 9th term is 28. Then find the first term and common difference of the arithmetic progression. The sum of first 9 terms of an AP. What is that sum of first 9 terms? That is nothing but S9. That is equal to 144. And that is S9 is equal to 144. And its 9th term is 28. See, 9th term it is, not sum. So what is that actually? A9. A9 is 28. So differences ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಇದು sum ಅಂದ್ರೆ yes ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಅದು sum of 9 terms it is. So S9. So it is 9th term. So 9th term is, it is 28. Next, then find the first term and common difference of the arithmetic progression. So what is asked to find? We need to find first term. What is that? A is equal to how much? And the common difference, D is equal to how much? So since they have given 9th term, okay, 9th term ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus AN. This formula, because we know A9. So substitute now. So n is equal to 9, 9th term and 9th sum it is. So 144 is equal to, it is 9 by 2 into A. We need to find A plus AN is 28. Simplify this now. 144 into 2. Okay, as I told you before, yes, whenever you have odd number here in place of n, if you transpose it in this first step itself, it would be easy, more easier. So 144 into 2, when I cross multiply or shift it to LHS, I write it now 144 into 2 by 9. Okay, so it is equal to A plus 28. Simplify now. 9 ones are table. It goes now because 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so 9 comes in 9 ones are table. So 9 it is divisible by 144 is also divisible by 9. So in martiraiga 9, how many is are 9 ones are 9, 5 remains 54. It is 9 6 are 54. So 16 2s are how much? 32 is equal to a plus 28. So 32 minus 28, when you shift it to LHS, is equal to A. So A is equal to how much now? A is equal to 32 minus 28 is 4. So first term already we got. Now find the common difference. How do you find common difference? Substitute in the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is equal to how much? A9, how much here? 28 is equal to first term already we got. Substitute here 4 plus 9 minus 1 into D. Simplify this. So 28 minus 4. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 8D. So 28 minus 4 how much? 24 is equal to 8D. Therefore D is equal to 24 by 8. That is 8 3s are 24. D is equal to 3. Students, see the last question. It is state and prove basic proportionality theorem. As you all know, in this chapter, triangles chapter, basic proportionality theorem, Pythagoras theorem, and one more theorem, that is theorem related to areas of the triangles. These 3 theorems are very, very important. You must practice them. It ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ AAS ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿ rule. That also last year ade bandittu nimge. But these 3 are very important. You should know and you should learn this. Based on the you get problems based on these theorems as well as the theorem to write like this 4 or 5 marks question. So I'm not going to prove this theorem once again here now. Already you must have practiced and it is also there in one of my video. Please go through it. Okay students, let us end today's session. So class ನಿಮಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಖಂಡಿತ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತೆ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.